Hi guys, how's it going? Salman is here. My pleasure to have you guys. So we're gonna discuss about what's going on in the market. Please, if you do have any question, let me know. This is live. Sounds good, all is good. So looking at the pound Japanese yen here, you can see it's dropping sharply. Most likely you can see this to continue to test the 50 moving average right here around 162 or so. So this can continue fall, as we can see. Looking at the euro dollar, this is a 50 moving average here in the daily time frame, dropped with the Feds yesterday. As you can see, it's still bleeding. Most likely we can continue to reach down here, guys, this level. Okay, if we break below this one, then this is the next level, and that's it. It's most likely what's gonna happen afterwards is gonna bounce up. Okay, so that's it. We are just gonna bounce from here and here. Mr. Powell yesterday was very clear that he is not gonna take his pedal of the gas, pushing more interest rates. So here we go. So euro dollar, it's too late for someone to short it. Okay, it's too late. It may continue going down a little bit if we go to the 4-hour time frame. It's we've had the live yesterday and the XM live educational. We said we expect this to come test this level or that level. It's expected to continue going down, but it's too late. You know, it's a little bit too late. Anyway, so this is the way to go, guys. We are waiting for this to continue bleeding to here or there. So 9660, 9550, and I think that's about it. And then we're gonna bounce back to the upside. Of course, USD CHF is going to continue going up as the euro dollar is falling because the dollar index is getting strong. Okay, so this is the idea. If we look at something like the pound, it's falling strongly right here. Okay, watch out, there is a trend line. Is if you can see this one trend line, this low and this low, and this testing this one now. Most likely it's gonna go through it. Okay, it's not gonna bounce from here. Most likely it could bounce, but most likely is gonna test this level here. Okay, from here we can see this bounce back, guys. Okay, so from this level here we can see this bouncing back. So watch out, this may continue. If you guys want to open an account with XM, I have shared the link below. XM offers up to $5,000 bonus. Okay, so if you want to join. You need to know Friday open and close are very, very important numbers. So right here, this was Friday 2 weeks ago. This Friday last week. You can see this range once it was broken here. You can see what happened. It bleeds so fast, so much. So this Friday low 2 weeks ago, it could go down to test it. Watch out, all those Fridays are very, very important numbers. So we have this level right here. We can make it with different number. Different color. So this level is very important here. Why? Because this is Friday low 3 weeks ago. Friday low 3 weeks ago. And this is Friday low 2 weeks ago. So these are the two numbers you need to pay attention to. Okay, these are the two numbers you need to pay attention to. So if someone asks you why you need to take care, watch those two numbers very closely, because Friday numbers are very, very well respected in the market. Okay, so you need to pay attention to Friday numbers. Friday numbers are very, very important. So scenario what we can have is we test either this level if we break this level. Okay, so big investors and big companies actually keep Friday numbers in the mind. Okay, usually Friday number, if it's broken, so here this was a Friday high. Once it was broken, that's it, you're gonna bleed. Okay, see this Friday high 3 weeks ago, see right here, it did work as a support and resistance. These are very, very important numbers to keep watching. So right here, the direction to go is continue falling down. This is this level. Then we go back, or if we break through, then we can bounce from here. Okay? So this is the way to go. Okay, guys? For the 4-hour, let's say 4-hour time frame, this is the 200 moving average, the yellow one. So we are testing the 200 moving average now. We may just sink below it a little bit, then come back. We may sink below this one and come back. Okay, right here, for maximum this level right here. I don't think we're gonna go back much lower. Okay, this is for the cable right here. BTC, possibly what we can see, just a small fall here, guys, to test this lows here. Has been a very strong support. Then from here we can bounce up. That was bleeding again. As the dollar index actually is getting stronger, this will push the indices and the stock market down, guys. Watch out for this. So this was Friday high and Friday low, as you can see, these two levels. So it's just about to test it now. If it will break, then it's probably gonna go to the next level here at the 31,300. Okay, so watch out for this. If we break, then it will go to the 31,300. So this may bleed a little bit more. So right now we are at the 23 level in the Fib retracement levels, guys. So if we go to the 38 around here, the 31,400. So this, and this will be the 2 weeks Friday high. Okay, so you need to watch this number. 2 weeks Friday high previously around 31,200, the 38 level around 31,400. So the next level to watch for is this one. Most likely what's gonna happen is gonna keep bleeding here. 31,300. This, the 38 Fibonacci retracement. It may get a support in this area. So we may get a support in this area. Okay, so most likely from the speech yesterday, the market is gonna continue actually bleeding a little bit. You guys, do you have any questions? So for the stock market, probably is gonna continue. Technically, in the 1 hour time frame, we did break below the 50 moving average here, tried to test it, break below, did a double top retest here. It did break the 200, it's just about to test the 200 moving average in the 1 hour. Most likely what's gonna happen is gonna break and just punch through it and fall, okay? Then we have this support, previous support right here, it was here in this area. So we are up to test this one, and this is the 38.2 level, okay? So this is around 31,300, is also up to test this one, Why the Dow previously actually did rise? If we look at the 4 hour time frame, this time we've had the companies, the revenue numbers coming out, and many companies, they have made profit, so this pushes the price higher. Okay, we know the Dow Jones index is based in 30 companies, the blue chips companies, and they relative to the price of the companies. Okay, however, in the other side, the SPX is based in the market cap. It's based in the market cap for the companies, not based in the price. Anyway, so what we can see, this is just to continue bleeding here to these levels. Either this one around the 38.2, or we can go all the way down here to the 30,000. But this need to bleed a little bit more, at least to test the 50 and possibly come all the way here to the 200 moving average. So we still have 1, 2, 3 levels. Technically, the RSI start going deep here, but what can happen is just to move sideways a little bit and dip further. The MACD is, as you can see here, it's just start falling. This need to continue falling, guys. This is just not gonna end here. This need to come further more down here, like that. If you look at the long term MACD, it's just at the top, so this need to come a little bit down, almost close to the zero here. This will give us indication, technically, we are still going much further down. We're still going much further down. So there is still way more to come down in the indices, okay? Maybe this is clear, more clear for you guys to watch. If you guys would like to share, see with me. Okay, so this is the way to go. We still have 3 more levels to come to. Nasdaq is falling hard. Okay, much more is expected. Big companies are gonna get hurt by the rate hike and the tone from the Feds that they are not gonna slow down. They are not going to slow down. They have pushed the gas pedal, strong interest rate, and the next one is possibly strong, another one. So this is still going negative, guys, okay? So we can go back to 1,500 easily, 1,400, 10,400. So still could go further down here, guys. Okay. Can we break this low here and go further? Tiny bit, not too much. It could go, but not too much, okay? If you can see this as a retracement here, look at this here. The 100%, if we consider this to be an ABCD, so if we consider this to be going like this, okay, and from here to be going like this could fall to 9,500, guys, could fall to 9,500. If we consider this to be an ABCD, let's make a different color so it'll be easy for you to watch. I don't know if this is easy, sorry, a little bit too bright. Here, okay, so if this is an ABCD and we can see this one wave down, one wave up, then one wave down, 100%. So that's an A, that's a B, that's a C, that's a D. So that's an ABCD, okay? And if you know that, if you want to know the retracement of this one, you can just take this one here and go like this. And this 61.8 exactly, guys, retracement. So this retracement was 61.8. So this will call it the perfect ABCD. If you have read the harmonic trading books, you're gonna figure out this, what they call the perfect ABCD. This happens when you have an A, then you have a correction BC. This BC is 61.8 of AB. Then you would have another fall here is exactly equal AB. Okay, so this would be A, B, C, D. F, A, B equal CD, and C is 61.8 of AB. This is what they call it perfect or ideal. Okay, A, B, C, D. And this happened a lot. This happened quite a lot. Okay, guys? So we get this to happen a lot. So we have an A, B, C, D format. This is happening a lot in the market. So this may end up at 9,500. Okay, watch out, Nasdaq still can bleed much further more. Okay, so Nasdaq can bleed much further to 9,500. So that's something to keep an eye on. Pound yen is just falling strongly. Okay, guys. So I'm glad to have you over, guys, here. Thank you. Hopefully we'll come back later. Okay, take care and trade safe. Thank you and have a good day.